Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and you're welcome to my channel. Today we're making pepper soup. This is a pot of deliciousness. It is spicy and delicious and it's perfect for a cold day. First, we're going to wash the meat and the fish. I'm using turkey thighs, catfish and some mackerel. I'm washing them thoroughly with salt and water. You have to wash thoroughly. Wash the fish with salt and water to remove all the slime and any dirt in them. Cut the fish into desired sizes. After washing the meat and fish, we are going to start by blending our pepper soup spices with crayfish, peppers, and water. After removing the meat from the pot, I left the meat stock in the pot. So I'm starting this process with the meat stock. You can start this process with just water. You can actually add the meat stock later on, but I'm starting it this way. Now we are adding our blended mix, that is the pepper soup spices, crayfish, and peppers. Add more water to the pot. It's pepper soup. It's not meant to be thick. It's meant to be light and flavorful. So add more water. While adding water, try not to overfill your pot because you want a flavorful meal. Stir together. You have to let the soup cook down for some time and thereafter add seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Now you can go ahead and add the meat, that is the turkey thighs or whatever meat you prefer, and add the fish as well. Remember, the meat has been cooked and ready to be added to the soup. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. Stir gently. We're using basil leaves, so we're going to add our basil leaves. It's so flavorful. If you don't have scent leaf, this is a great alternative for your pepper soup, and it adds unique flavor to the soup. Leave to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes and our delicious pepper soup is ready. It's perfect for a cold day. Look at this pot of deliciousness. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.